Hi, this is Kenyon from Little Giant Ladder Systems. Today we're going to demo the wingspan wall standoff. This is another fantastic accessory from Little Giant Ladder Systems, designed to be used on a number of our multi-purpose ladders when they're in the extension ladder position to keep them away from gutters, overhangs, or to keep you centered in your work like around a window. Let's show you how it works. Your wingspan wall standoff came in 3 separate pieces. You have this central housing, and then you have an arm for the right and an arm for the left. You'll notice that these are completely symmetrical, so there is no left or right. We'll slide this into this central housing, push in this small metal button, slide it in, and that metal button should pop out, and that way you know that it's locked and secure. We'll do the same thing over here on this side. You will slide this in. Again, push this button so it can be seated inside this housing, and once it comes to the stop, that button should pop up so that you know that you're locked and ready to go. Once your wingspan wall standoff is assembled, the way that you attach it to the ladder is lay your ladder on the ground or the grass, and you'll need to extend the top section of your ladder at least 1 rung. That will expose this single rung, because that's how the wingspan wall standoff attaches to just a single rung of your multi-purpose ladder. When you install your wingspan wall standoff onto your multi-purpose ladder, always make sure that the labels on the bottom of this housing, they should be visible from the ground. That will set this wingspan up so that it's perpendicular to the wall when your ladder's set at a 75-degree angle. When you place this on the top rung, it should be as central to the left and right as possible, and the housing should be nice and snug up against this rung. We'll simply flip this locking mechanism over 180 degrees and make sure that the tab of the locking mechanism is put through this slot. And then rotate this locking mechanism around. No tools are necessary, just nice and hand tight. And now your wingspan wall standoff is secure and ready to use. To get you away from overhangs on a roof or even around windows, if you need to keep yourself centered in your work. And a couple of quick reminders: always choose the right ladder for the job, set it up correctly, maintain 3 points of contact when you're climbing up and down any ladder. This is the wingspan wall standoff by Little Giant Ladder Systems.